Hello, guys. Welcome to this episode. It's your go to code guy, Wisdom. In this episode, we are going to be talking about something quite interesting and exciting. We are going to be talking about strings. So, what are strings? Strings are text that are written within quotes. Strings are text that are written within quotes. So, in our last episode, we wrote and ran our first Python basic, very simple program. And this was the output of the program. It says, "Hello, I love Python." But this program wouldn't have been possible without the following codes. So, what I failed to mention in our last episode was that this is a stringed program. Yes, of course, because it fulfills our definition that states that strings are text that are written within quotes. Okay, so in this episode, we're quickly going to talk about two reasons why our strings will not work. Two reasons why our strings will not work. The first reason why our string will not work is because if we were to rewrite this program without quotes, if we were to rewrite this program without quotes, our string program rather will not work. Let's rewrite this program. Print parenthesis. Remember, when you click on open parenthesis, it closes automatically. Quotes. Also remember that when you click on opening quotes, it closes automatically also. Hello, I love Python. Okay, remember this was our program yesterday. But if we were to take out these quotes, right? If we were to take out these quotes, it changes everything. And if we were to rerun it by clicking on our play button here, it outputs an error. Python is giving us a message, an error message. Python is trying to tell us that our code, there's something wrong with our code. And that's because we failed to include those quotes. So the first reason why our code will not work is if we wrote our code without quotes. That's the first reason why our string program will not work. Now, the second reason why our string program will not work is if we wrote that code or if we wrote our program with quotes of different nature. That is the single quotes and then the double quotes. If we were to write our program opening with a single quote and closing with a double quote, it will not work. Let's try this. Print parenthesis, single quotes, take one out, right? The single quote opens it. Hello, I love Python. And let's close this with double quotes. So if we were to write our program and run it by clicking the play button here, it will not work. This is an error, the same error message that was displayed the first time when we tried to run the program without quotes. So this is the same, not the same error message, but this is the same output we got when we tried to run our first program without quotes. So two reasons why our string program will not work is the first one being that when we run our program without quotes, and the second one being that when we run our program with quotes that are not similar in nature, that is opening with a single quote, for instance, and closing with a double quotes. Okay, so let us rewrite our program properly, of course. This time, let's use double quotes, but I prefer to use single quotes, double quotes, single quotes, whatever works. As long as when you open it with a single quote, you close with a single quote, and when you open with double quotes, you close with double quote. So let's try it out now with double quotes. Hello, sorry. Hello, I love Python. Now let's run this program by hitting our little play button. Yes, here we see our program works just as expected. Hello, I love Python. So guys, that's it for this episode. If there's any information that is left out, I will include in the comment or description. For now, bye.